In this video, we're going to cover how to wire an electromagnetic door lock to an Akuvox door phone. If you're working with Akuvox or planning to do so, it's crucial that you collaborate with Global Visions Inc. If you are a property manager, we will help ensure that you're working with a genuine, certified installer. If you are an installer or looking to become a certified installer, we will ensure that you are purchasing through an authorized distributor who provides the best technical support to ensure your success. For this example, we will be using the Akuvox R20 door phone, a 12-volt magnetic door lock, 12-volt power supply, wire nuts, and a diode to safeguard the lock. The Akuvox diode is located in the box for the door phone. In this example, the lock is connected to the door phone via the Relay A port. Later, we will need to configure a new user to initiate Relay A through the door phone's web interface. First, align the diode's anode, the lock's negative cable, and the adapter's negative connector. Insert the wires into the wire nut and twist them. Tug on the wires to ensure a secure connection. Next, twist the lock's positive cable with the diode's cathode. On the back of the door phone, press and hold the NC terminal button. Then insert the splice into it. Release the button when the stripped end is fully inserted. Perform the same press and hold action and insert the adapter's positive cable into the COM terminal. Tug on the wires to ensure a secure connection. Before unlocking the lock, we need to configure a user with an RFID card and assign Relay on the door phone's web interface. Enter the IP address of the door phone. Then, enter the default username and password, which is admin. Under the Intercom tab, select the User tab. In the User area, select the Add button to add a new user. Enter the information along with the RFID card code, or place the card on the card reader to obtain the code. In the Access Setting area, select the Relay A. Select Submit when complete. Now, power on the devices. When the card is swiped, the door is now unlocked.
Welcome, please come in.
If you have any questions about Akuvox, please contact us at globalvisionsinc.com.